The pen is mightier than the sword. We are going to be showcasing this in a matter of 10 days. I would like to take this opportunity and acknowledge our principal, the Department of Basic Education, educators, our learners, and esteemed guests. Standing before you is the former Junior Station Commander of Phumelela District, as well as the Deputy Chairperson of the Representative Council of uMlazi Comprehensive Technical High School. But my name is Ngcebo Nhlapho. I am Nhlapho, please. This year has been a bittersweet year for every one of us as learners. Bitter because of the relationships, the moments, and everlasting memories that we have built for ourselves, but sweet at the same time because we are about to unravel a new chapter of our lives, using the very pens to shape our own future. It has been a long journey. 11 years now being the 12th. We have been preparing ourselves by the late night studying, cross-nighting, group chats, and all the extra classes that we have been attending to make sure that we acquire our goal, 100%. Every time when I go to people and I say we are going to aim for 100%, there are always people abazothi, 100%. Are you telling me to do that? Of course not. We have worked so hard. Matric has shown us flames. We have been waking up 5, 4 abani and coming back at home number 6. 7 at most, more 30 days. But in 10 days' time, we have been sharpening our swords and we are going to rewrite history. Yes.